With the legal field becoming more competitive than ever, how can you gain a new source of clients and revenue? By becoming a network attorney with U.S. Legal Services. The success of our group legal benefits plans depends on our network of highly qualified attorneys across the nation. U.S. Legal Services network attorneys provide expert legal assistance to our plan members who have affordable access to services through our comprehensive Family Defender and CDL Defender plans. As a network attorney, you can get connected to new clients without having to market your practice, have unlimited access to clients without having to pay, be guaranteed payment for services rendered to our covered plan members, and have unlimited opportunity to gain new referrals as our members tell their friends and family about you. Hi, I'm Anne-Marie Forbes-Holsey with U.S. Legal Services. For more than 40 years, we've been making legal representation more affordable and accessible to everyone. Although legal insurance plans have been on the market for decades, the advantages they hold for attorneys may not be widely known. As part of a voluntary benefits package offered by employers, legal plans are growing in popularity. With that growth comes opportunities for you to provide your services as part of a legal plans network. Those opportunities range from expanding your practice without investing in advertising to being paid according to a predetermined fee schedule. Best of all, there are no costs to you to join the U.S. Legal Services network of providers. To ensure that our plan members receive the best legal assistance, we maintain high standards for our network attorneys. Our attorneys are selected based on their professional reputation in their community, their ability to accommodate our members based on location, professional ability, their standing with their respective bar association, and more. Applying to become a network attorney with U.S. Legal Services is simple, and once you're a part of our network, you'll find that our automated claims process makes it easy to work with us. Our network attorneys are at the core of our services and our success, and we value the skills and experience you bring to our plan members when they need legal help. Because of our position in the marketplace, attorneys often contact us about how they can become a service provider. Find out why by visiting our website, where you can apply online or call us today.